Here's a tip of the day that if you own an antique one-owner piece of crap that somebody was too lazy to change the door pins on before I got it, says wore out. Well, I done replaced them 2 or 3 times. Got tired of doing that, about to go and finance a ruin, so I just welded me a washer on there. Hey, don't mind the booger welds, old son, because look, hey, that thing is good as new. Hell, it's better than factory, I feel like. That's just a tip. Pretty much, if I wouldn't have done bought 2 sets of door pins, that would have been a tip on how to stay a millionaire, become one, but I've done that like $40. Son of a